Pred dobrimi 17 leti je SsangYong svetu ponudil iQu in takoj pogorel. 2 leti kasneje je BMW svetu ponudil X6 in naredil revolucijo. V današnjih časih, ko se križanci prodajajo kot vroče žemljice, si ne znamo predstavljati, da znamke ne bi ponudile tudi kupejevske različice. Ampak ali je ta košček odrezane strehe res tisto, kar privablja kupce?
Of course not, but I believe this is the most significant differentiation to the classical enyaq. Yeah? So these beautiful coupe silhouettes support the sportiness and the emotion of the car. On the other hand, as well, the car is still very much practical and has excellent ergonomy and spaciousness. Yeah? We're as well super happy that with this new and very sleek silhouette, we improve big time the CV, which is now this time 0.234 CV, which is the best in its own segment. The next big difference is that we don't have any cladding on the bottom of the car in contrast color, and we believe this as well improves big time the proportion, and the car looks much more modern and I would say as well lifestyle. Yeah? But obviously the more changes we have as well in the front. In the front and as a standard we have the crystal face, which gives the car I would say very special identity and a very exciting I would say night design signature, so recognizable on the road in the night. But of course we have as well way more sportier, way more sculpted bumper with visually increased size of the intake, which is emphasizing the sportiness and this kind of power of this beautiful model.
V primerjavi z običajnim enyaqom pa bo kupejevska različica razvajala še z več serijske opreme, prvič pa bo na voljo tudi različica RS s povsem električnim pogonom. Kot se za športni karakter avtomobila spodobi, ta prinaša tudi odlične školjkaste sedeže.
So what is a big achievement for us to get the really nice sport seats, which are designed by Škoda interior design, and we covered with a nice exclusive material, which is a replacement of the Alcantara. It's called Suedia. It's a special type of the Suedia. It's a microfiber, and luckily we could manage to get a Czech supplier for this material, so we can support the local factories as well.
V zadnjem času vse več avtomobilskih izdelovalcev posega po recikliranih materialih. Najdemo jih tudi v novem enyaqu.
The carpet for all the levels is 100% recycled, and in some percentage the headliners as well. On the other levels you can find textiles, which are having 100% recycled polyester from PET bottles, and also mixed with natural fibers. It's identified with the wool label. It's 40% wool and 60% recycled plastic in it.
Novi enyaq coupe RS pa bo serijsko opremljen še z eno posebnostjo, ki je nastala tudi s slovensko pomočjo s kristali na prednji maski.
I think for us it's a great achievement because our main inspiration of our design is Bohemian crystal. We want to link our products with the Czech heritage, craftsmanship and art. And this crystal always appears in certain details in interior. In the headlamps we want to treat it as a jewel, and as well mainly in a way of precision and sharp and precise lines on the exterior. But we want to move it a little bit forward. We want to give the crystal face some extra function, and as you probably noticed, we deal with this kind of crystal lamels in all our show cars. So we believe it was time to really push it to the production. It was a very exciting journey. It was, I would say, very much challenging to put it in production due to all the homologation regulations. But we believe with the kind of hard work and cooperation with our light team and as well with Hela from Slovenia, we achieve it. And we are so proud that we can put it in the production. We are basically the first car in the world who can have or who has this kind of crystal face, and we believe this will give the car very authentic and strong appearance and night design signature.
Pogon in baterije so v skladu s koncernsko ponudbo. Moč motorja bo od 132 do 220 kW. Izbrati bo mogoče zadnji ali 4-kolesni pogon, ob izbiri najmočnejše 82 kWh velike baterije pa bo z enyaqom coupe v idealnih pogojih mogoče prevoziti do 545 km. In še podatek za športne navdušence. Žal različica RS s pospeškom 6,5 sekunde do 100 km/h ne bo prinesla nadpovprečnega pospeševanja, bo pa od ostalih različic hitrejša za 20 km/h pri končni hitrosti, saj bo le-ta omejena na 180 km/h. Za konec pa seveda še najpomembnejše. Enyaq coupe IV je v Sloveniji že mogoče naročiti, a zaenkrat le v najboljši, torej RS različici, za katero pa bo potrebnih nekaj več kot 60 000 evrov.